Give me a chainsaw!
We already got pumped already.
No, only parts of the legs.
Yeah.
How are we doing here? Oh, this worked out.
Sorry we couldn't burn them. We're going to do it later.
What's later? Next month?
We're going to have to get a permit. We've done this 5 years, and we couldn't. The police came and they caught us. We tried to sneak him down here. He's kind of big. We didn't make it. What we're going to do is disassemble him and carry him down to the parking lot. We'll do it another night. Get on the Burning Man mailing list, and we're going to do it right.
Yes.
Sorry, guys.
Yes.
We're deflated. At least we got him up. So we're gonna keep this bonfire fueled over here, and we're gonna disassemble them. And if anybody can help us, we got to carry this 2 legs, 2 arms, and a torso down to the parking lot. They kept the parking lot open for us so we didn't have to carry him back up the hill.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Yeah.